I took the chair position because I see in our society in general some challenges coming forward, challenges to access material, to holding material, and so forth. And I think that's a very dangerous thing. And so I am pleased to be in sort of a leadership position of the board to ensure that we stand behind these freedoms of access and thought and intellectual freedom and so on.
Fairfax County library system is extensive, and we have a wide array of resources, of books, of audio books, of technology, of staff support. The foundation provides that extra support so that the library can provide other resources to our community. We also work to give awareness about the library system so that people know to use our resources and really become part of this wonderful system.
Materials in the library are far more than just books. When I was a kid, books and maps were about it. Now it's everything. You know, we have all sorts of materials, kits, and so forth. So I want to expand those. I want to make sure that they're available to all the people within the county and all our users. And so that awareness of what's available at the library for them and for everyone, I think, is important.
The Fairfax Library Foundation really welcomes volunteers. We can't survive without our wonderful community, but we just can't do everything that we do for all aspects of our community without individual support, without businesses willing to sponsoring us, without foundations who hopefully will be providing grants, and without our friends groups. And then we'd like you to come to some of our events, to Cinema in the Community, or drop by one of our tables. We really hope that you take advantage of the Fairfax County Library System and support our Fairfax Library Foundation.